So hello everyone, today we'll be discussing a new question, that is interval list intersection. Within that we have to merge the first and the second list. We have to keep one thing in the mind, that we have to just while merging that, we have to just check whether the second list element relies within any, or we would say the second list overlap any elements that's present already in the first list or not. If it's that the condition, then we have to merge that. So let's see the question, let's code, and thereafter we'll be getting the logic more better. So we'll be creating a vector of int rest. Within that we'll be storing all the values after merging, and that will be returning. So here we can write the first slit as fl. Every time writing the whole thing seems to be a little foolish. And the second list as sl. So now we'll be creating I and j, that's used for the iteration purposes. Okay, now the second thing we'll be creating the n and m for the size purposes. Int n as fl dot size. fl is the first list, and int m is equal to sl dot size. If it's done, then we have to do we'll be iterating. So for that we'll be using the while loop. I should be less than n. It should iterate from 0 to n minus 1, and then j less than m. And after that we'll be creating a start and end variable of the result that will be storing later to the resultant of the vector. Okay, so start would be int, it's not declared, so we'll be declaring int start is equal to maximum of what? Maximum of the first list I of 0 and second list j of 0. That means we are comparing the 0 and 1 value of example 1. Okay, so it will be fl of I comma 0 comma sl of j comma 0. If it's done, then we'll be finding the end of the list. So it will be minimum of first list I comma, think what we'll be doing, we'll be comparing the I of 1, that is the 2 value, and the 5. We'll be finding the minimum of both of them, and after finding that we'll be pushing that value to the resultant vector. As we can see clearly in the output, the minimum value is being placed 1 comma 2. So fl of I comma 1 sl of j comma 1. If it's done, then we'll be giving an if condition. If start is less than equal to end, it seems to be true statement, then we have to result dot push back result dot start comma end. Now if the first list of I, we have checked the statement, like the first list of I is if greater than, then what we have to do. If it's lesser than that, first list of I of 1, that is the 2 value in example 1. So if it's lesser than the second list of I of 1, j of 1, then we will be iterating I plus plus. We are basically continuous statement sort of. I plus plus and j plus plus. If it's not true, and after that we have to return res. Let's check it's running or not. Oh, there is some sort of error. Let's check. SL of, that's correct. Result dot pushback. Yeah, that's correct. start less than, and that's been done. I0 J1 start and corrected, and J less than and, that's also correct. Okay, here we should declare them separately. And check. Yeah, thank you.